Hello, my name is Vadim Surov. I am the Program Director for DigiPen Singapore's Masters of Science in Computer Science, or MSCS for short. MSCS is designed for students who want more than a traditional computer science master's degree. Unlike many programs that focus primarily on theory or isolated coursework, MSCS balances strong computer science fundamentals with hands-on, team-based project experience. Here you won't just study systems, you will design, build, and apply them in real-world performance-critical environments. One key difference of MSCS is its focus on real-time computing and high-performance systems. You will develop expertise across the entire data lifecycle, from collection and processing all the way through with parallel or distributed computing, giving you the skills to tackle complex computational challenges, particularly for artificial intelligence. At DigiPen, we also have a strong emphasis on collaboration. You will work within multidisciplinary teams in settings that closely mirror professional environments. So if you are looking for a master program that goes beyond theory by combining technical rigor, hands-on development, and industry-focused experience, MSCS is exactly what you are looking for. If you have any questions about MSCS, feel free to contact our admission office. I hope to see you on campus soon. Thank you.